In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create pages in multiple languages in Hubspot. To begin, sign into your Hubspot account and look at the main navigation. Find Content, then click Pages. This takes you to the area where your website pages or landing pages are listed, depending on how your portal is set up. Take a moment to locate the page you want to translate. It is best to start with a page that is already finalized in your primary language, because Hubspot will clone what you have, and you will translate from there. Next, hover your mouse over the existing page you want to use. When you hover, you will see additional options appear. Click More, and then choose Create Multi-Language Variation. This is the feature that creates a linked version of the same page in a different language, rather than making an unrelated copy that you have to manage separately. After you click that option, you will be prompted to select your target language. Open the Language drop-down menu and choose the language you want to create. This selection matters, because it helps Hubspot organize language versions correctly and can affect how the page is labeled and structured for multilingual management. Once you have selected the correct language, click Create. Hubspot will generate a cloned version of your original page. This new version carries over the layout, modules, and overall structure, so you do not need to rebuild the page design. You will now be placed into the editor for the new language variation. Now translate the content and metadata in the editor. Focus first on the visible page content, such as headings, paragraphs, buttons, and any module text. Then review the metadata, which typically includes things like the page title and other page details shown in search results or browser tabs. Take your time here because accurate metadata translation helps the page feel complete and consistent for visitors in that language. When your translations are finished and you have reviewed everything for clarity and formatting, go to the top right and click Publish. Publishing makes the new language variation live, while keeping it connected to the original page as part of your multilingual set. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.